I'm sure that you all know that Marvin is the ChemAxon drawing solution. And just as a quick reminder, I would like to summarize in which product belongs to Marvin Suite, and also give you some update about our plans as a first step in my presentation. Originally, Marvin Beans as a desktop program, which is written in JavaScript. And it's not only one program, but as you know, it has 4 parts: Marvin Sketch, Marvin View, Marvin Applet, and our command line tool, MoConvert. And we make applets and Java Web Start products for it as a web usage. Also, Marvin Sketch and Marvin View is converted to .NET, so we have a .NET version of this program. And a little bit than 4 years ago, we started to write a very new member of the family, which you could hear even today quite frequently, Marvin JS, which is a JavaScript browser component for chemical drawing. And as you can see, there is not connection between the original Java Marvin Sketch and JavaScript Marvin JS. Not a direct connection, at least, because several of our chemical intelligence at the Java side are reused as a web service and helps in Marvin JS make it more chemically intelligent and smart. So I would like to emphasize some of our future plans. The very first one, that we would like to focus on better to the basic drawing functionalities, and we'll discontinue the development of Marvin Space. It means that we will give you an installer, which you can still download from the ChemAxon site, but we will not release and improve this product week by week, how we do with our major products. And also, as the web solution considered, we just wanted to focus in Marvin JS. It's actually a result of the browser's behavior. As you know, currently Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, which 2 major browsers, are not support applet anymore, and also have Java issues with Firefox, who stated that they will not support applet technology from the next year even. So soon we will discontinue these 2 products. Currently, if you need an applet of our current version, just please let us know and we build you a special one. Because anyway, every version has to be signed to the company and or server name. So even you could download one from our website, you will not be able to properly use it without our signature process. And this is another slide, which I just want to show what is the difference between Marvin Desktop and Marvin Sketch and Marvin JS. As I taught today, both drawing tools, so about the basic features should work in a very same way. However, we want to keep Marvin Sketch as a quality drawing desktop tool and use our browser components for quick sketching. So basically, that's the difference between the two tools. So why you should migrate to Marvin JS from not just only Marvin Applet, but I believe from any other drawing applets. As I mentioned, it's written in JavaScript, so you will not see all the security issues with the browsers. And we made it running to all the major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Internet Explorer, Safari, Firefox. We believe that it's easy to integrate, and you could see several examples for this integration today, and you will see even more in the next of the day. We kept all the chemical intelligence of Marvin and the former 18 years development on server side. And which I also connect to the integration, and I feel it's very useful that you are even able to extend these functionalities with our web service, JChem web service functionalities, like 2D clean, 3D clean, calculate the stereo. But you can use your own web service if it's accept MRV as a format, a file format. And even you can add custom buttons. And I just wanted to show one of the possible integration, which we did with our structure checker web service. You can see the other features that we added this year, that you could color from API different coloring patches. And here I'm just showing 3 checkers. Structure checker has more than 40 checkers. We just implemented 2 for demonstrating, not 3 for demonstrating purposes. And it's just an example how you can extend the functionality with a proper web service. We show it actually in our, among our developer examples, how you can do this. But if you think of anything, currently you can add custom buttons and can implement it. And I just want to emphasize the fact that Marvin JS is successfully integrated more than 80 times now, and would like to show several of use cases. You already could see some, and obviously I cannot show all the 81, so just take as an appetizer, and I would like to show it what for they are the most useful. So very common that Marvin JS is an interface for search and calculation purposes, as you can see in very major and popular websites here. Also another use case, and Marvin JS used for chemistry catalogs. And also we are very popular in chemistry education. You can see several of examples. All the major publishers implemented Marvin JS. And the other part where Marvin JS is very useful is the communication part in chemistry. As you will see this afternoon about the Marvin Live presentation. And right after me, Mahesh from Sanofi will show how they use Marvin JS to facilitate the communication between the chemists.
Hi, Effie. I just had one quick question. So with regards to the differences between Marvin Sketch and Marvin JS, do you see any features in Marvin Sketch that can't be added to Marvin JS?
I wouldn't say can't. I would say it's pretty hard. So for example, if you want to choose the font type of the atoms, in Marvin JS, we just can use web-safe fonts currently. So it does not cover all the font types which we have in Marvin Sketch. So that kind of features.